Chris Stussy dropped an album a few weeks ago and his popularity is at an all-time high right now. So let's make a track similar to that album style of Stussy, sounding like this. I will show you all Stussy's production secrets to make a track similar in his minimal house style. So without further ado, let's straight dive into it. So first, let's set the BPM to around 130-35. And then we're gonna make that signature Stussy chord sound. You're in all those Stussy tracks right now. Let's start off with a multi-sample tool in Serum. Go to the synths and pick one of those analog wavetables. You can go for this one. All sounding somewhat similar, but we're going for this one. Shape the envelope like this, just a little bit less sustain, some release, and add some noise to it as well for some more analog vibes. Then we're gonna mix it, remove the low ends, a phaser, really giving that signature chord sound, and then finish off with some hyperdimension, reverb and delay. So the main key of the sound is the phaser. So then we're gonna dive into songwriting. Stussy uses a lot of those minor ninth chords. So first let's drop down the basics. Let's work in G minor and put in a chord like this, skipping the middle notes of the chord. And then we're basically gonna make a progression out of it by going down to the 6th note of the scale and the 4th, which is perfect. So this will be our basics. Now we're gonna spice it up some more to use in the drop. So just make it rhythmic. Really nailing that Stussy vibe. And then just mix it some more, remove the low ends. And open up the high ends. Open it up even more with some OTT. And a sidechain to finish it off. And there we have our perfect Stuss chords. We got the main chords ready, so now we're quickly gonna add in a vocal. Stussy uses a lot of spoken words or rap kind of vocals. So back in the days I made a vocal sample pack which perfectly fits the vibe. It's called Stacked and it's packed with rap vocals. Let's go for this one. It's got that sort of unbothered vibe. And then fit it to the tempo at around 150. Together with the chorus sounding like this.
When we rolling in my old car, cruising through the city. Rolling up a doobie, getting high like hippies.
Which is really cool in my opinion, so then we're just gonna mix it some more.
When we rolling in my old car.
Add some reverb and delay. So altogether our vocal sounds like this.
When we rolling in my old car, cruising through the city. Rolling up a doobie, getting high like hippies.
So with a new Stussy style, there are a lot of melodies on top of the chords. It's just really focused on songwriting. So let's make some counter melodies as well. First, let's pick a preset from the new After Hours pack. Let's go for this one. Let's write a melody on top of it. So what I want to do is just take the top notes of the chords, something like this. So then just add in another Serum and let's go for another plug sound. Let's go for these sine bells and make another melody on top of it. By again using the notes we put in the chords. And just make one more melody on top of it. Let's use this preset and drop in some sort of a plug fill like this. I think there's a lot of stuff going on at the first bar, so leave that one empty. Yeah, that's perfect. So these will be our melodies. I will split it later on, but altogether our melody stack sounds like this. We got the main synths ready, so now we're gonna dive into the drums, like Stussy does. So let's open up the After Hours 2 pack. And let's go for this kick. Then let's head over to the claps. Let's go for this snappy one at every second hit. And to make it a bit more interesting, we're gonna layer it at every second hit with another one. And make a small fill at the end. So make it unique at a lower volume. Then it's time for the heads, so Let's go for this one. Make it a bit shorter and place it at the offbeat. Then we're gonna add in some grooves, so let's place a short closed head. And then just do the same for the percussion, so yeah, that's perfect. So then just drop in a fiddle loop for some more texture. So let's go for this one, fit it to the tempo. Giving way more groove, it's a bit too loud, so lower down the volume. And then to finish off the drums, I added this crash and snare fill at the end. So altogether, our drums sound like this. So the only thing that's left to do is make the bass. Stussy uses a lot of melodic guitar kind of basses. Let's go to the preset pack and search for the bass. Let's go for this one. It's quite a heavy one, but I think it will work perfectly together with the other elements. So let's just copy over the root notes. Something like this. And then small details is to make it a bit more melodic. Like this, we added these notes. Sounding like this. So then we're gonna mix it. Let's add it together with a kick. First add some sidechain to the bass and mix it together with a kick on a kick bass channel. First heavily compress it to glue it together some more. And then drop in an R bass. Really boosting the sub end. It's a bit too much, so lower it down like this. And then we can also add some animations at the end of every 8 bar, just like this. So altogether our kick and bass sounds like this. We got all the elements ready, so I quickly arranged it. I made a breakdown with the elements we made earlier and added some ambiances in the G minor key, like this one. And this one, following the chords. Really cool plucky ambience. And then the drums, together with the downlifter. And a really big build up. At first adding in the drums. And then this one with a snare roll, crash. And a really common thing to do in this style is to add in a kick as well in the build up. Giving this effect. Sounding like this. That's how you make a Stussy style drop. I think the final result turned out really cool, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.
When we rolling in my old car, cruising through the city, rolling up a doobie, getting high like hippies, puff bass, blowing smoke like chimneys, low red eyes, and we at the hella trippy. When we rolling in my old car, cruising through the city, rolling up a doobie, getting high like hippies, puff bass,